Welcome back to the Crypto Boss Andrew channel. So I'm looking at something right now, which I'm just learning about divergences, but this is bullish divergence on the weekly chart for ALGO. And I don't know if I've ever made a video on ALGO. I probably have a long time ago. So you have a lower low in price action, right? And you have a higher low in the stock RSI. And I don't know if I've really ever talked about divergences on this channel, but that's bullish divergence. So really, your low should be right there around 8.1 cents, 8 cents. So I am going to do something crazy, and I'm going to tell you what I'm going to do right now on this video so that I can stay true to myself and so you guys can hold me accountable. But mainly so I, stay true. So I'm going to open up early next week when the volume gets better on altcoins. I'm going to open up about a 10. I'm going to do a 10x long on isolated. Um, and I'm gonna buy it wherever it's at on probably Tuesday. I'll put like $300 in the coin. That'll be a $3,000 trade on this, and I'm gonna put my money where my mouth is. Put $300 in this. If it's 10x leverage, that means if it goes down 10%, maybe I'll do 5x. I'll probably do 5x actually, and this will be probably one of my better trades. This is gonna be a trade that I plan on holding for a long time. The time I would sell would be when, if the Ikimoki cloud got bearish again. So when this crosses bullishly, I'll stay in the trade. Then if this ever were to get bearish again, I'll get out. Yeah, that's I'll probably do a 5x long on $300. So it'll be worth, what, $2,500. And that's kind of what I want to do. Although maybe a weekly chart is overbought. So I might wait for this to make a higher low just to verify that I'm right. And then when this weekly chart gets oversold, then I would do it. So actually, I might not do it right now. That is, yeah, I think I'm going to do that. I'm going to wait for this to get oversold, and then I'll open up my long. I'll keep you guys updated. I will end up doing it. So I will save this video so that I stay true to myself. But the weekly chart is overbought, so I would expect a small pullback. But I'd be very surprised if you made a new low below 8 cents. So I would expect a small pullback to, maybe a double bottom at 8 cents or maybe a higher low at 8.5. But that's what I'm looking at now. The 3-day chart's also overbought, so I'm not expecting a reversal just yet. But I think on a weekly time frame, we are at a low for algo. Daily chart, looks fine to me. 4-hour chart. I'm not going to look at those because this is going to be a trade that when I open it, it's going to be a several month long trade, maybe a year long trade, maybe longer. We'll see what happens. But that is what I'm looking at. I would actually, I would rather wait for this weekly chart to come down. And if I do that, then I can open up a higher leverage long, like a 10x long. If I open it now, could only do like 5x, unless it came in lower. Or I could do a 10x long. Maybe I will do a 10x long, and just when it comes down lower, just add to the trade. I could do that too. But either way, I'm gonna open up a long at some point. When I do, I'll make another video about. But Algo looks like one of the more bullish charts on the higher time frame. So this is just something I'm looking at. If you guys have other requests for other altcoins, let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next update.